Welcome to my channel. You know it's a girl Monique, and I just wanted to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, do the right thing. When you see Daniela so, you don't know a thing already. When you see Monique in a previous video, cause I a long time do that video there, and Monique hot people. No jokes. You see me so no. Do the right thing. Feel me there, please. So before we get into the video, how are you doing today, Miss Monique?
I'm quite fine. I'm okay. Wake up this morning, so you know, so me have to give God thanks. I'm still there.
Yeah, no jokes about that. So, first thing I'm gonna ask you as Monique, where the people feel look out for from you.
You can look out for your vibes, fun, laughter. Monique is all about joke and excitement.
Yeah. So, people are going to know this. What inspire you to do YouTube?
You know, I've been watching YouTube, but you know, one day I lie down in a house and it just come to my mind, say, yo, you know, say I want to start a channel. A long time I didn't want to start it, you know, because I remember say, but I see out the road and say it here, say, yo, I want to start a channel. And when I watch and the struggles that my people go through and them afraid to come out, come talk, then put it out there. So me, you know, I don't know, I don't have no luck with friends. So I always stranger, then if you cheer me up. So I say, why go sit down and tell somebody else or tell one friend I know really my friend and go sit down and tell them and them still a put it out there. Why not put it out there myself? So that's why I decide to say, yo, start on YouTube channel, yeah, man.
Alright, so you ready for all of the cause remember you know, YouTube coming good and bad, right? Me know say you're ready for the good already. But are you ready for the bad? Are you ready for the comments them? You ready for turn your back at some people cause them me tell you, the, this are gonna make you realize some things. You see? You ready for all of that?
So based on what me as a young lady, when I go through in a life already, amount of backlash and all sort of something. It no matter what people are gonna come with, I just make up my mind. I'm ready. No matter what them are come with, I'm just ready.
So what you want to achieve from the YouTube channel? What you want to achieve by doing this?
And I just want something for focus on, because to me, I never really get no family love to that or people always around me. Some of us do this for comfort myself.
Yeah.
You understand? I just put things out there for, you know, because them say stranger better than your own. So maybe I go find one and two person out the way. Maybe I go get close and they run. Then comment can cheer me up on something. So I just basically that.
So different from the YouTube, what you want to achieve in life going forward?
Right now, why? I have a lot to want to achieve, but I just keep it to myself. I don't put it out there. I just want to do it before I put it out there.
Alright, so that's good people. When you hear these people, so when you know say I know no joke thing I go on. So when you support money because only support we. And before me gonna further big up Dante on the as they say, see me? No jokes about that and go over to him channel cause when you don't know say Daniel and Bits is all about the young YouTubers as I say. As we self cause we not be getting up people. And you must know pre you know. But you have tell somebody your best time in your life and one of your worst time in your life.
The best time in my life is when I live with my grandmother. And the best time in my life, the best treatment, the best care I ever get. And the worst part in my life is when I lose her. And when she just gone so. Because she was my mother, my father, my everything. When you talk about Miss Pearl, my grandmother, she take care of me like a she birthed me. So basically when she gone, it was the worstest feeling I ever have in my life. And the best time I ever have when she was alive.
That's emotional as well. So boom now, like you talk about parents, all of the people, you know say Chuck always a pass on you, I don't know why. So, alright people, back to it. So as you talk about parents, At this time, which parents you're closer to?
Alright. Would I say I'm closer to my father more, but a whole heap of years me not hear from him because he was there. But you know when it come on to family and family member, them do a lot of things where I never really did know what go on until recently. My father will link up back and him a tell me all the issues will go on because family make bad things happen between me and him and we just delay back. But from my granny dead until now, I just my father, I did think about him. And now that him come back in my life, it feel good. Yeah, my closest parent is my father.
Alright, so people big up all of who have them father, all of who lose them father. You see me? Cause these days fathers not really dead. You see me? Yeah. So big up all of who do that. You see it? Boom. What you want to change right now about yourself in life?
Why? I have a lot of I want to change. But as him say, once you don't grow, you don't grow already and you can't stop your fingers and you can't reverse time. But I don't want to go back to school. You understand? Me drop out of school. Basically, no parents never there around to help me out in a life. You understand? I just move from one place to the other place. Nobody not there to stand up for me. So I just give up on everything. So basically, I want to go back to school, get something. You understand? Do something.
That's
Yeah.
nice. I love that, people. I hope you hear where I go on. So, as this point in life, you're in a relationship.
Yes, in a relationship. Yes.
So you ever cheat on nobody and nobody never cheat on you yet, you see me?
I cheating on my past relationship. Not one time, not two times, not three times. I cheat. Yes, I cheat.
Yeah.
But now I find somebody will love, somebody will take care of me, somebody will dedicate me. Yes, he come like a father figure to me. So basically now, you ever find something where you look for where you don't want to lose, you're not hurt that somebody there. So yeah, me in a strong relationship right now.
YouTube is something you always want to do from you grow up.
No, and that's something I always want to do. I watch people who inspire me from where they might come from, like King and Shay. Kind of get how me usually live, and when I watch for them video, it carry tears to my eyes. So I them give me confidence. So I say, you know what? Just start something.
Yeah.
Yes.
People, I hope you see that. But you have an Instagram channel, you have no other else channel you want to tell the people about.
Just Instagram. I'm on Facebook.
Tell them what's your Instagram name.
Life with Money.
Life with Money. Facebook.
Alicia Kelly.
Alicia Kelly. You hear that, people? So alright, people, the link they done in the description. Gonna do the supporters. You see me? But remember this, people. And you see, say this is not only just a video. This is a life story about Monique. You see me? You basically know Monique already. You see me? And you see say Monique real. So you go over there for me. Subscribe, like and share. You see me? Do it yes or no. And if you don't do it, bad luck at kitchen, watch. So what you have to say?
So guys, just remember if you like, share, subscribe and comment.
Yeah. Do the maths. Monique out.